students. Today we are going to study about phases of the moon, the full moon and the new moon. What do you mean by these terms? For that we just have to recall few things from the first lesson. So what are satellites? What are planets? Can you recall? Planets are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. So, Earth is the planet. It revolves around the sun in this orbit. Yes or no? Blue color orbit, sky blue color. Can you see? Next, what are satellites? Satellites are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. So, Moon is the satellite of the Earth and it is revolving around the planet Earth. Can you see in the picture properly? This is Moon, this is Earth and this is Sun. Around Sun, Earth is revolving. So, Earth is a planet that is revolving along a specific orbit. So, this is the orbit of the Earth. And Moon is the satellite of the Earth. So, Moon is revolving around the Earth along a specific path. That path or that orbit is the orbit of the Moon. Can you see? Yes, and because of these two orbits intersection, can you see these two orbits are intersecting, and because of this we see different phases of the moon. Just look over here, the full moon and the new moon. The moon revolves around the earth. Have you seen? The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun along this orbit. However, these two orbits intersect. Have we seen this? These two orbits. This is the orbit of the moon and this is the orbit of the earth. These two orbits intersect. Yes or no? Hence, the sun, the moon and the earth are not always along a straight line. We see half of the moon's surface which faces the earth. That is, from the earth we see only one side of the moon. We see only one side. This side of the moon is seen. This side is not seen by us. Clear with this? So, your moon is like a sphere, but only one side of it is seen. The other side is not seen from the earth. The moon has no light of its own. We can see the moon because of the sun's light that falls on it. So, this sun's light is falling on the moon. So, we can see this part of the moon. Can we see this part? No. On a full moon night, we see the entire side of the moon that faces the earth. On the new moon night, we cannot see any of it. Now look this diagram. Can you see over here? Full moon day, the lighted part is seen from the earth. Yes or no? The part which is lighted is seen from the earth. So this moon we are seeing the full moon from the earth. And on new moon day, what is happening? The sunlight is falling on the other side of the moon, which is not viewed from the earth's surface. The surface which is viewing from the earth is having darkness. Why? Because sun's light is not falling on this part. At that time we observe what? We observe new moon. From the full moon to the new moon, the illuminated part of the moon seen from the earth becomes smaller and smaller. From new moon to the full moon, it again grows bigger and bigger. These different phases, shapes of the moon that we see are called the phases of the moon. Can we see these diagrams? These are nothing but different phases of the moon. These are the parts of the moon which are lighted by the sun and which are seen from the earth's surface. Clear with this? Now next part, the lunar month and days or tithi. You know that it takes 14 to 15 days from new moon to full moon. This is the fourth night of the waxing moon. After the full moon, the moon appears smaller and smaller, and after 14 to 15 days, it is a new moon again. This period is the fourth night of waning moon. Thus, the period from one new moon to the next is of how many days? 28 to 30 days. It is called lunar month, and every day of the lunar month is called tithi. Clear till here? Now, see over here. The new moon, 15 days, the period of from new moon 15 days to a full moon is called the waxing moon. So that moon is called what moon? Waxing moon, also known as Shukla Paksha. The full moon 15 days new moon, the full moon 15 days after that the new moon comes, and that period is known as the waxing moon, the waning moon, and it is known as Krishna Paksha. The fourth night of waxing moon. So now what do you mean by fourth night? Fourth night means the days of 14 to 15. How many days? 14 to 15 days. Fourth night means this 15 days plus this 15 days is together known as a lunar month, and this lunar month may be of 28 days to 30 days. 28 to 30 days. Clear till here? You should know this diagram. Also, you should know the different phases of the moon. Thank you.